where Veronica nearly died? Yeah. I could see this now.
Certain death. Okay, let's go.
Alright, I am super scared. Really scared. Here we go.
Don't tell me that.
Yeah. This is like seriously fucking scary.
Holy fuck.
There's no way we're on the right road.
Walk this. Oh my god. Shit. Babe, stop. Stop. You have a cell phone in the middle of nowhere? Are you looking at Facebook? He's too busy with his friends. David's doing okay.
Yeah, we did Lenko hardcore.
Whoa. Whoa. In this tiny, tiny lane, which is about 30 centimeters wide. Oh my god, it is harrowing. Oh, actually, the drop is not that bad, but it'll still hurt.
Oh.
Oh god, look at those rocks.
You won't die. You got a helmet on, you're gonna be fine.
The drop-off is now much more serious. I mean...
A couple of bumps. Yeah.
Okay. I think we're gonna be okay. We got it. Oops. We just got to a house. I don't think this is the way. So, we've gotten lost once again. We are in the middle of nowhere, really. But it's been fun. We'll find our way back.
Well, in my opinion,
we're still lost. Oh.
Yes, but
sharp right.
Okay, so our drop-offs are getting more serious. Holy shit.
don't worry, we're about to hit, there's a wall.
Hit is not a good idea. I mean,
We're about to hit a wall?
Now.
Oh my god. That doesn't insane.
No. It's getting pretty high. Pressure. There's somebody behind us. God,
sweet Jesus, hallelujah. Oh my Buddha.
Oh my Buddha.
By the way, this still has no rail, absolutely no rail, and you could go off this cliff and get it. And I'm celebrating because I feel so safe.
Yeah, this is so safe.
It's much more beautiful after you thought you were going to die.
It's beautiful everywhere. We're really lost, right, babes?
A little bit.
And
not really lost.
We're gonna go and ask these people. Hopefully they can help us. This way? Okay, come on. Okay. Which way? This way? Okay, more construction.
Well, I guess the bus can do it.
More construction going on this side.
There you go.
Dude, this way? Come on. I've never been so happy to see a truck. And
Yeah.
I see the road. The road. Yes. Yes. Woo!
Sweet Jesus. We're gonna survive.
We did it! We got the road! We found it again!